guys, this is Nishita and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my entire skincare collection. Now in today's video, I'm going to show you all the skincare products that I own. I'm also going to include a little bit of my makeup products as well. I don't own a lot, but I'm going to show you whatever I own. But this is going to be majorly all my skincare products that I've ever had. So this entire storage unit that you see here is the collection that I have. So each and every drawer has skincare products except for the last one, which has makeup products. So yeah, I'm guessing that this video is going to be a tad bit long, so you can go get a snack and continue watching the video. So like I mentioned earlier, this is the storage unit in which I store my skincare and makeup. I got this off Amazon and it was very affordable. So I'm going to leave a link of this unit in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. So this is the top of the unit and I have used to store my everyday products in here. I've also added a little bit of decor. This has like flowers and these are succulents that I got from IKEA. So let's get on to this one. So like I mentioned, this is all the stuff that I use on an everyday basis. Now this Nutriderm moisturizer has been my absolute favorite. I love how this makes my skin feel. Also this has vitamin E, which is amazing, and yeah, it keeps your skin super hydrated. And I have my sunscreen, which is so important. Then I have my three serums that I use on an everyday basis. Now this is the Ordinary Niacinamide, and then I have my favorite vitamin C serum, which is from Eclat, and my eye serum, which is again from Eclat. And I also have an extra moisturizer. This is almost done, so I have to replace it. This is from Cetaphil. Now moving to the behind part. Now these are all the perfumes that I use on a regular basis. I've already done a perfumes video, so that includes most of them. But apart from that, I also have this one from the Body Shop, which is in the British Rose variant. And I also have this one from Body Cupid, which is in the variant Sweet Passion. Now this is just a little bit strong, so I don't use it much. And I also have Body Mist from Bath and Body Works. Now this is in the variant Hello Beautiful. Then I have my everyday hair serum, which is the L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Serum. Now I use this for an overnight treatment, and sometimes I use it after I wash my hair as well. I also have just 3 makeup products right here. Now this is my everyday lipstick. This is from the L'Oreal Paris Color Rich Matte collection, and this is in Plum Tuxedo. Now this is an old one, but I absolutely love the shade, so I still have it. And of course my favorite cheek and lip stain, which is from the Body Shop in the variant Pink Hibiscus. I also have my everyday favorite pink lipstick here. So this is from the Maybelline Superstay Ink Crayon collection, and this is in the shade Run the World. Absolutely love this. Now let's slowly move on to my first drawer. Now this has all the products that I'm yet to use, and some products which I have scheduled for a giveaway. So this is basically my new products and giveaway product section. I like to store them all together. So this is like the most easiest way of organization for me, so that I know that there are some new products that I can try out, and in case I don't try out, I can also give them away. Then moving on to my next drawer. Now this is like the skin pampering area. So basically this has all my masks, my face tools, aloe vera gel, my face mist, sleeping masks and all that. Now let's first talk about all the masks that I own. Now this one's from the Dot & Key, and this is the Acne Defense Green Clay Mask. Then I have one mask from Eclat, which is their Marine Soothing Aqua Mask. Absolutely love this. This also has niacinamide, so this is great for dark spots as well. Then I have another favorite mask of mine, which is the Avocado Nourishing Face Mask from the Good Vibes. Then we have a new mask here. Now this one's from the Lakme 9 to 5 Matte Moist collection. This is a green tea face mask. Then we have the Body Shop Tea Tree Face Mask, and we have sleeping mask here. Now this one's the AHA exfoliating sleeping mask from Dot & Key. I think we have another clay mask from Innisfree. This is the Jeju Volcanic Po clay mask. Absolutely love this one as well. Then we have another sleeping mask. Now this one's from Sulwhasoo. This is absolutely a gorgeous mask. I've used this as a part of my Korean skincare routine. If you've not watched it yet, I'm going to link it, so make sure you check it out. This gave me amazing results. Then we have my Foreo UFO 2. Now this is like a massaging device. Again, I've done a one whole video on this. Make sure you check it out. Masks of the Foreo UFO 2 are right here. Now I have them in 3 variants. Let me show them. So I have Make My Day, which is basically hydrating and anti-pollution mask which has hyaluronic acid and red algae. Then I also have their Call It a Night mask with ginseng and olive oil, and this one's the brightening mask. Yes, this one's the Glow Addict pearl infused mask. So basically I have to put these masks on top of the UFO and I just have to massage. And then I have my most favorite Ordinary HA 30% BHA 2% peeling solution. This is basically like an exfoliating mask. I have another exfoliating mask from Dot & Key Skincare. This is their Hydro Peel Glow Potion. This one's great as well for people who are not able to get the Ordinary. Then we have a new one. Now this one's the Face Shop Smart Peeling White Jewel Exfoliator. This one's great as well, very gentle on skin and leaves your skin super smooth. Then we have another new sleeping mask here. Now this one was sent to me by Sublime and this is from Claire's. I'm yet to use this out. So this is the freshly juiced vitamin E mask, and this has vitamin E, niacinamide, adenosine. Definitely going to use this during the weekend. Then we have an empty mask here, but I don't know, I just love the packaging of Dr. Jart Shake and Shot, so I just preserved it. And we have a couple of mists here. So this one's from Karl Hans and this is a hydrating rose petal mist. This one's very refreshing. This also has hibiscus. And I have another OG face mist. Now this one's from Forest Essentials and this is their pure rose water. And apart from that, I also have my aloe vera gel here, something which I absolutely love when I especially want to calm my skin down. This is exactly what I use. This is from the Face Shop and this is their 99% aloe vera soothing gel. If we move on to the left of the drawer, we have some eye patch. Now this one's an eye patch that I got from Cult Beauty, and I also have a sheet mask from Claire's which I'm yet to test it out. So this is the Rich Moist Soothing Tencel Sheet Mask. Super excited to try this one out as well. Also got my face mask applicator in here, and I have a couple of face tools. So this one's Gua Sha. Absolutely love how firm this makes my skin feel. I use it every time I want to give my face a lift. And I have a new one that I got from Miniso. So this is basically a facial brush. You can use it to cleanse or massage your skin. This is absolutely wonderful. And my absolute favorite is this one from Drom & Co. So this is their Jade Beauty Bar. And this is how it looks. So basically this vibrates when you're massaging your face. And again, this is very calming and very relaxing. Those are all the products that I have in my second drawer. I would like to call this my self-care stash. So every time I feel like I want to give my skin some care or would just want to pamper it, this is the drawer that I reach out to. My most favorite one, of course. Moving on to my third drawer. This has all my skincare extras. Let me start off with this basket right here. Now these are some of the moisturizers, day creams, night creams, extras that I have which I'm not using on a daily basis. So in this category, I have the L'Oreal White Perfect Day Cream. I discontinued this. I've also mentioned this in my recent skincare routine, so make sure you check it out to know why. Then I have the Face Shop Collagen Moisturizer. I use it sometimes when I'm feeling extra fancy. Then I have the L'Oreal White Perfect Night Cream. Again, I discontinued this, so sometimes I use it on my body. So I use both of these on my body sometimes because I don't want to waste skincare products. Then I have the Pond's Super Light Gel. So I use this sometimes before my makeup, you know, sometimes when I want to feel extra hydrated, extra moisturized, and when I don't want to look greasy, that's when I go for this just before I apply my concealer. Back in there, I have my another absolute favorite moisturizer, which is Emollient. So this is for the day days when I chemically exfoliate my skin. So this one gives me utmost nourishment, so I reach out to this one. Then I also have a new moisturizer that I happen to try, which is from the Lakme 9 to 5 Matte Moist collection. Again, I use this on my body sometimes. On the left we have 2 extra sunscreens. Now this one's a new one, so I want to finish up my L'Oreal Paris UV Perfect before I get on to this one, so I'm just saving this. And I also have my Requil Ultra Matte Dry Touch Sunscreen Gel. So these are for days when my skin is feeling too oily, so I rarely use that one. But yeah, that one's a good option too if you have oily or greasy skin. Then we have my most favorite essence. So this one's from L'Oreal Paris Revital Lift. So this is again great just before you do your makeup, because this provides utmost hydration and also kind of brightens your skin up. Moving on, this is my Korean skincare stash. Now I have the Silvasu First Care Activating Serum. Then I have something from Belif. So this is the Belif Aqua Bomb. So all these are minis, okay? So these are what I used to just see how they work on me. But yeah, then we also have the Etude House Collagen Moisturizer, and we also have another product from Belif, which is their Eye Bomb. Then we have a toner, an essence, and an emulsion again from Etude House. And this one's an essence from Belif, and this one's toner from Belif. So these were all part of minis that I got to just try them out. And the Etude House ones, I got them especially for the Korean skincare routine that I tried out. And then we have my recent favorite, which is a cleansing oil from Silvasu. Now I've never used cleansing oils before, but this one from Silvasu has literally changed my opinion about cleansing oils. I mean, it's just so wonderful how squeaky clean they make your skin feel. So double cleansing is a big yay for me now. Then we have my set of extra serums, which I don't use on a regular basis, and also my micellar water, which is basically a makeup remover. So speaking about serums, the first one that I have here is from the Eclat. This is their hyaluronic acid serum. Again, love this one, but I've not been using this so much since the winters are gone. I'm not using this as much as I used to, so I've placed this inside. Then I have Eclat Fade Out. So this is my second bottle. One bottle my mom uses, and I sometimes use this, especially when I want to get rid of all the dark red spots that acne has left behind. Then I have my Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum. Again, because the winters are not here, I don't use this as much, so that's why both the hyaluronic acid serums are inside. Now this one's from Dot & Key. So this is their niacinamide serum. I've used this before, but I did not really like this as much as the one that I currently use, which is from The Ordinary. So this is the best niacinamide serum that I've ever found, so I always go back to this. So that is my second bottle. And I also have another niacinamide serum from Eclat. Again, this did not do a great job for me, but I sometimes use it, especially when I want to use it along with my hyaluronic acid serum. That's when I go for this one. And yeah, as I mentioned earlier, this one's the micellar water makeup remover with a brush from Mama Earth. So basically this is my extra skincare stash that I own. So moving on to the next one, which is makeup. So this is basically all the makeup that I own. I kind of like this one because I feel like this is so organized. Anyways, let's start off with this. So this is my entire collection of lipsticks. Of course, this is like a liquid eyeshadow, but apart from that, all my lipsticks are right here. I've also done one whole lipstick collection video. I'm going to link it on the top for you guys in case you want to watch it. Then we have my brushes and some makeup tools, and also this nail polish remover from Kara. So these are basically my brushes, my eyelash curler, and this is a brush cleaner that I got from Miniso, my makeup blender, and I also have my palettes right here. I don't own too many, but because I don't use a lot of makeup, eyeshadow palettes that I own. So these two are from Hilary Rhoda. This is a colorful one, this is more like a muted one, and this is from NK Makeup. So yep, that's about it. Also, I have my highlighter right here. So this is a highlighting powder from Wet n Wild. This is the only highlighter that I own and I absolutely love this one. So behind we have my face makeup product. So this is a primer that I got from Nykaa. Then we have my concealer, which is from the Maybelline New York Fit Me range, and this is in the shade 10 Light. Then we also have my foundation. Now this is from The Ordinary. Absolutely love how this gives me beautiful coverage. So this one's in the shade 2.0 light medium. And then we have a BB cream that I got because I wanted to try out the teenage makeup routine. So yeah, this one I rarely use, but I still have it just in case. Also, I have my 3 new favorite products. So these are basically papers. So this is like a blush paper. It gives you beautiful pink glow, and also this one's a blotting paper, and this one is their highlighter paper. So all these 3 are from Drom & Co. So in case you want to do your makeup on the go, these 3 are perfect. Towards the right side is a box, and this contains my entire nail polish collection. I've got like a lot of stuff, but I hardly paint my nails these days. Even if you see now, they're nude. So yeah, this is my entire nail polish collection. Right next to this, I've used a glass. Now this is all the eye makeup that I have. So this is my most favorite mascara. So this is from the L'Oreal Paris, and this is the Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara. Then I have a blue mascara from Lakme. And yeah, I have a couple of colorful eyeliners. Now these are from NK Makeup, again very affordable brand. So in case you're looking for beginner makeup stuff, then you can absolutely check out that brand. Then I also have this clear gel mascara for my lashes and brows, and OG Kajal. No, this one's an eyeliner from L'Oreal Paris. My kajal is right here, and this one's from Nykaa. So basically this is all the makeup that I own. With that, we have reached the end of my Skincare Plus makeup organization unit. So I just realized I did not show you my face wash and cleanser collection. So this is the basket that I have in my washroom, and this is something that I use on an everyday basis. This is the Cetaphil Gentle Cleanser. Then I have this one from the Face Shop. Again, I use this as a part of my Korean skincare routine. Then there's a new face wash that I'm testing out, which is from Derma Vive. Now apart from that, I also have my Foreo Luna 2. Now this is basically like a cleansing brush, and this starts to vibrate once you start to massage your face and cleanse it. And yeah, that's about it. So these are the cleansers that I own. That marks the end of today's video. I hope you guys had fun watching it and also got some organizational tips. If you have any other organizational tips in which I can organize my skincare, make sure you leave them in the comment section below. Also subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Instagram. I will see you super soon in my next one. Until then, bye.